Hi everyone, my name is Rishid. Today is the 20th of October 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla. The max Y level has stayed the same for PE and CE, so that's neutral. Quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. Change is higher for PE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher. This is actually positive. The short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive, and the PCR is still below 1, even lower, that's negative. Implied volatility is higher, but historical volatility is lower, that's a negative and a positive respectively. RSI is higher, that's positive. And there's no divergence, that's neutral. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is lower, and that is actually positive. In this case, it's neutral here, since the thing that's decreasing is the range, showing that it's not actually going significantly in either direction. EMAs are higher for both, that's 2 positive. VWAP is lower, that's negative. Pivot point is lower, that's negative. And candlestick is neutral. The support is 200. Previous week's support is also 200. The same. Resistances are both 240. And this week we're not taking a trade based off of this because it's too close and doesn't warrant a clear directional view. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next one.